Ayan, hello. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon ko nasa mga kilopalop ng mundo right now. Gerald Claudio here. Hindi na ako pumunta dun sa office. Dito na lang ako sa may sala namin. Anyway, I just want to share with you guys one guiding principle na pinangahawakan ko on how I, number one, survive network marketing, grow my income in network marketing, and brought me where I am right now sa negosyong ito. Okay? So, and I just made this observation kasi gusto ko lang itong i-emphasize. I never thought about this, pero I think ito yung isang bagay na kung ako yung tatanungin nyo talaga, ito yung sana I hope nakikita ko sa karamihan ng mga nagne-network. Okay? So, ano yung guiding principle na to na ini-implement ko sa sarili ko? The guiding principle is keep the promises that you made. I keep the promises that I made. Not perfect, but I strive to keep my promises that I make. First, to myself and to the people. Paliwanag ko yung sinasabi ko. When you started network marketing, I have seen so many people, they're so excited to start. Like, Jared, I want to start with you. I'm ready to build this. I'm so excited to run this business. I'm so fired up to really build your business with you. I think gagawin natin. I think gagawin kayo. And they were so excited at the beginning. And one thing I've realized is sobrang daling maging excited sa simula. Napansin niyo ba yun? Sobrang daling excited sobrang daling maging excited sa simula. Okay? And the problem to that is hindi naman palagi magiging excited yung magiging proseso ng pagdenegosyo mo sa network marketing. Okay? So, that's why I'm saying this, because if you don't know how to keep your promises for yourself, you will keep on violating that promise and you would end up not believing yourself anymore. Because marami kang mga unsettled na mga issues na hindi mo na-solve sa sarili mo in the process. Nakuha niyo ba ibig sabihin? Type yung ayos kung naiintindihan yung sinasabi ko. So, the first principle na pinangahawakan ko talaga is I make sure that whatever I say, paninindigan ko siya. So, I remember, nag-decide ako mag-full-time sa network marketing. I was so excited doing this calculation na if I only do 10% and all these things. And think about this, hindi ko alam, like I have no idea what's going to happen in my network marketing business. I was just so excited to really build my network marketing business. I was so excited na magkaroon ng time freedom, magkaroon ng mas maraming oras, magkaroon ng time sa pamilya ko, magkaroon ng, alam mo, you know this, a typical network marketing thing. Until such time na talagang, alam mo yun, I just realized, sabi ko, hindi pala madali. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy to the point na sa dami ng mga, lagi lang nagsisimula ako, ang dami pumapasok sa team namin, pero hindi ganun kadami yung nagko-continue. To the point that I have all the reason to quit and stop and go back to my job. I have all that reason. I have all that reason to stop. I have a reason to quit. I have all the reason. Alam niyo yung pinanghawakan ko, sabi ko, nangako ako sa sarili ko na gagawin ko to eh. Kasi, nobody would know it. Tama? Nobody would know it. Wala namang makakaalam. Ako lang naman. Pero, I don't want to violate the very words that I even promised to myself because that would be at the cost of me not trusting my words anymore. Maliwanag ba yung sinasabi ko? And I've seen that over and over and over again sa mga network marketers that the words are becoming so cheap. Maraming nag-join sa network marketing, parang walang halaga yung mga salitahan nila. Parang walang halaga yung mga pinapangako nila sa sarili. Gagawin ko to, yayaman ako, mga ganito, di ba? Uusad kami sa kahirapan. Hindi ako magkikwit, dire-diretso ako, but at the end of it, all of them quit. Think about that. Ilang pangako yung ginawa mo sa sarili mo. Na up to this moment, I'm saying this, up to this moment, like, kaya ko ba talaga sa paninigan? O baka nakalimutan mo yung mga salita mo? You see, one principle na I hope na mapanghawakan mo is ganito. Ano ba yung mga pinangako mo? And no matter what happens, you stand into that. Yun yung pinanghahawakan ko. That's how I believe. Number 2, yung mga pinangako ko sa mga teammates o mga client o mga prospect ko. Every single time na nakikipag-usap ka sa prospect, ano yung sinasabi mo? Sinasabi mo ganito, oh, sasamahan kita, susuportahan kita, nandito ko para sa'yo, wala ko. Alam mo, we have all these flowery words and just to grab this prospect, tama? You want this prospect to be part of your team. You want this prospect to be part of your organization. And you will say every single flowery promises that you're gonna say to that prospect. But do you really mean it? Now, the sad part is, madalas kayo nakikinig dito sa akin right now, di ba? You're listening to me right now, and marami kayong mga upline na wala na right now. Tama? Kita niyo ba yun? Like, you have these people that nangako sa'yo, wala na sila. Tama? And what kept me going is not only promise to myself, but also promises ko o mga pangako ko sa mga tao. Alam niyo sa Bible, nagsabi, no? Let your yes be yes and let your no be no. Alam niyo ba yun? Do you know that verse? Right? You know that verse? If you know that verse, let your yes be yes and let your no be no. Anything that comes after that is from the devil. And if you will just keep the promises that you made to yourself, you will respect yourself more, and if you keep your promises to the people around you, regardless kung kaya sila nag-quit, it doesn't matter kung sila yung nag-quit, basta ikaw nandun ka. Ayun, alam niyo, one simple principle ko kahit sa mga meetings, pag sinabi yung meeting alas 8 ng gabi, o pag sinabi yung meeting alas 9, ganun, I make sure na nandun ako. And I remember may mga, like, even sa church namin, may mga disciple making kami, may discipleship kami and all. And I know na maraming magiging part ng meeting na yun na magla-late. Pero hindi, napag-usapan natin alas 8 tayo, alas 8 ako. It's the ball is on you if late ka, pero para sa akin, magiging early ako kasi yun na napag-usapan natin. Maliwanag ba? Imagine you guys, if that is your character, do you agree with this? If you will just keep that character of keeping your promise no matter what, honoring your word. Kasi in the first place, kung hindi mo siya kayang paninigan, hindi sana in the first place, hindi ka na nagsabi. Tama? Hindi ka na nangako. Kaya dalawang bagay na gusto kong ituro dito sa inyo. Number one, be careful sa mga sinasabi natin. Be careful sa pinapanako natin sa sarili natin saka sa ibang tao. And number two, be careful to follow all the promises that you make. Just keep that one principle in mind. No matter what you're doing in life, maybe may trabaho ka, or maybe meron kang nasa network marketing ka right now. Sinabihan mo, pinangako mo sa mga dali mo, hindi ako iiwan, hindi kayo ito, and all. Nakanya ba? Like, okay, think about this. People will still forgive you. You get what I mean? Like, people will forgive you. You will, I mean, people will just move on into their life. Pero alam yung isa sa mga consequence ng hindi pagtupad sa pangako, yung mga sinabi mo mga pangako is one thing. You will never trust yourself anymore. And I hope hindi ka dumating sa point na hindi mo na pininiwalaan ang sarili mo kasi you keep on violating what you've promised. Do I make sense? So ngayon, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, either iniwan ka na ng upline mo. Ito lang sa akin. Hindi ko sinabing maging bitter ka sa upline mo. Pero ang gusto kong sabihin is, I hope dumating ka sa business mo as well, na whatever man yung mga inconsistency ng mga tao sa paligid mo, wag mo siyang gagawin. Wag mo siyang gagawin. That is why even in my team, when I say to my team na hindi ko kayo iiwan, I will give everything na hindi ko sila iiwan. Mag-quit sila kung gusto nila mag-quit. Mag-stop sila gusto nila mag-stop. When they figure out, maybe some of them may not like the preference of the leadership that I have, walang problema. Pero when I keep the promise, I keep the promise. And I think yun yung isang bagay na nagpa-thrive sa akin sa network marketing. Keep the promises that we made to ourselves and to the people around us. Agree ba kayo, guys? Yung agree sa my comment kung agree kayo. And somehow, this is connected sa magiging webinar ko sa Tuesday. Kasi ito yung mga bagay, ang dami ko guys na figure out ng mga bagay sa pag-mentor one-on-one sa iba't ibang mga network marketers sa iba't ibang companies. And I figured out some common challenges and struggle ng mga network marketers which I'm going to share with you. So, if hindi ka pa nakaregister sa webinar sa Tuesday, this is on Tuesday, July 29, I want you to check there in your link somewhere in your screen. Register ka na, or kung naka-register ka na, type mo registered sa may comments, okay? Type mo registered kung naka-register ka na. And I want to see you there in this Tuesday 8 p.m. Philippine time. Okay? So keep the promises that you made for yourself and for other people. Stop playing with your words. Ako niyo ba? Stop playing with your words. Be different. A lot of people in network marketing make their words so cheap. Napaka-cheap. Kaya hindi tayo pinaniniwalaan. Worse, pinagtatawanan tayo sa labas. Because ang dami sa atin, mga nagna-network marketing, na kung ano-ano pinagsasabi natin, hindi naman talaga tayo seryoso sa pinasabi natin. But I want you to be on that level where you really keep the promises that you make. Sabihin mo, hataw ako. Sabihin mo, gagalaw ako. Sabihin mo, kung sinabi mo na, hindi ako mag-quit, hindi wag ka mag-quit. Magtutuloy ako, hindi magtuloy ka. Tama? Ganun lang kasimple. Huwag niyong pahirapan ng mga sarili ninyo. Like, so many network marketers has a lot of reasons not to do things. Ano bang sinabi mo? Ito sundin mo. Ganun lang kasimple. Wag mo, that's how transaction should be. Okay? And I wanted to encourage everyone that is here. Okay? Maybe some of you still wanted to thrive in network marketing, ituloy mo yan. But this is my recommendation. Kung ano man yung mga inconsistency, again, ilulit ko lang, kung ano man yung inconsistency na sa paligid mo, huwag mo siyang gagawin sa team mo na, if ever you're gonna grow your team as well. Okay? Are you learning? Type nyo nga learning, click mo ang heart, tag nyo mga ka-teammates nyo dito, share nyo tong video na to, no? And I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Yun lang gusto ko i-share. If hindi ka pa naka-register, register ka na sa webinar natin sa July 29. I want you to be there. And I hope guys na that this one, every principle na tinuturo ko dito, no matter how small it is, pakatulong sa pag-grow ng network marketing business mo. Kasi ako naniniwala ako at the end of the day, kahit tanggalin mo, if each of us here today, strip away natin lahat ng identity natin when it comes to name of the company, pare-pareho lang naman ang goal natin ba tayo nag-network marketing. Gusto nating umangat, gusto nating umasenso, gusto nating maaho ng pamilya natin sa kahirapan. Tama ba? Do I make sense? Hindi naman dahil ako ba tayo nag-network marketing niya? Right? And I hope sa mga small, simple content ko na encourage kita at tutulungan kita. God bless everybody. See you in the next video.